Hey guys, welcome back. So, I got a surprise package in the mail. Well, not a surprise. I knew it was on the way, but it's a surprise what's in it. I have no idea, but my friend Paul Olson from down in Florida, Paul has sent me a lot of stuff. Paul's a great guy. I know him personally, and been to his house before down in Deltona, Central Florida. And he said, I got a package coming to you, and yeah, anyway, picked it up. But before that, I've got some bad news. So, we've all had our experiences. I guess we all have. I have had bad experiences with the United States Postal Service. It's sometimes a bit frustrating. For instance, I have a friend down in Florida, Sam Baldwin, and I sent Sam a built model kit. Oh man, it still frustrates me. But so I sent Sam a kit a car that I'd built a little while back. I did the Gary seeds, wrap it up in a whole roll of toilet paper, and here's the problem. I wrote the wrong address. I was one number off. It was 2000 is what Sam's was, and 2009, and I put 2000 as the address. And it had his name on it. It had, Sam on there, and I never heard back from Sam, and I was like, I guess he got it. He never got it. And I said, are you kidding me? He's like, no, I never got it. And I said, oh no, well, this is the address I sent it to. He said, that's the wrong address. I said, oh no. Okay, this is what's crazy. So on Sam's address, I'm not giving his address away, it's just the first numbers. You don't have a clue where he lives. But anyway, I put 2000, his was 2009. I said, maybe your neighbor down at 2000's got it. He went and looked, there is no 2000. So the darn mail tracking said dropped off at front door. Well, there's not even a 2000 on Sam Street. It had Sam's name on it. And it did, so they dropped the mail dropped it off at someone's house that it didn't belong at. Then whoever that was at that house opened up Sam's mail. But and it's okay, so that's bad. By the way, I've had a cut on my finger. I cut it the other day. Anyway, it won't heal up. Keep putting band-aids on it. So the bad news that I have is my friend Doug over at Douglas Model Garage's videos sent me a package, and it never arrived, although it said it did. I don't know what the problem is, but anyway, it said delivered to my P.O. box and no delivery. So somebody got my package. So yeah, anyway, can be frustrating. I apologize to Doug and Ashley over there. If you hadn't already gone to Doug's channel, go over to Douglas Model Garage's videos and check that out. And yeah, too bad on that one. Anyway, I'm going to open up this, see what's inside. And Paul has sent me some really cool stuff in the past. Really cool stuff. He sent me an original edition. Where's it at? Let me look. Austin Healey by Revell. I think it's 1956. Like the original edition. He sent me one of those one time. Oh man, cool stuff. He sent me lots of stuff. Big boxes full of stuff. Paul's a great guy, and he uses a checkerboard packing tape. It's like checkerboard duct tape. Get this open here. Finally cooled off a little down in Georgia. I got some long sleeves on. Oh, and by the way, I got my car fixed after replacing pretty much every major component on it. It's going. So anyway, all right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Drum roll. Ooh. See what I mean? So there's your monogram. This is a repop of the all plastic midget racer. And with collector collector's card inside. This would be a repop. I'm looking for the date. 2000 repop. Very cool. Can't wait to get that open. That'd be a fun little build. It's a midget. Cool. I actually had listen to this quick story. So when I lived at home, my dad has the friend's still living, Mr. Terry Withrow, over in Brunswick, Georgia, was into racing, and he got me into go-kart racing and got us started on that. If you've never, my very first 2 videos on this channel, which the channel didn't really exist, I just posted 2 videos. If you'll go all the way to my very first 2 videos, you'll see me as a 17-year-old boy racing, and I won in that particular one. But anyway, it's the one that is, there's limiteds and there's super stocks. My friend was racing limiteds and I was racing the super stocks. If you'll look at the super stock video, the guy who takes the lead on lap 2, that's me. White helmet. Anyway, I'm way off subject. Mr. Terry, that got us into the go-kart racing, he gave us an old chassis one time. It was one of these old midget racer chassis. It even had the like a sprint car, had the old steering linkage. I forget what kind of steering they call that, but anyway, obviously it would be on the other side. But it was an old chassis of a midget racer that he said won a championship somewhere or something like that. But it was a little small, made out of a little small car. The chassis was cool. It was nothing but the chassis. But I looked at that thing, and I wish I still had it, but it's long gone. But yeah, anyway, very cool. Thank you, Paul. Oh boy, look at here. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. Look at here. A Keelcraft Green Line Type T motor coach. That's cool. Where would they drive that? Right-hand drive. Must have been over in England. Yeah, look at there, London. That is cool. What scale is this thing? Did I already look at it? It's 1/72. Dang, that's going to be tiny. Very small. 1/72 scale bus. Look at there. There's the roof. Ha! All the tires are made onto the rear. Look at that. How cool is that? Wow, some great detail too. There's the grill and part of the cab made onto it. That's neat. Can't wait to get that open and check it all out. Thank you, Paul. Very cool. Paul's got an eye. I've told him in the past, I said, man, you and I have the same taste. I don't know if he bought this for himself or whatever, or if he saw it and just got it for me, but he does. He's got a peculiar flavor in the modeling world, just like me. I like weird stuff, and Paul and I, we share that talent for liking odd and peculiar things. And then look at this. What? Oh, there's another one down there. Captain Scarlet. This is some Japanese. Oh yeah, it's even got the old Japanese, like 600 yen. I think that's what that is. Looks like a 600 yen. Where does he come up with this stuff? Patrol car. What? I've never seen such a thing. Look at that. I think this deserves a box opening, so I won't open it up right now. That is something, and it's I don't know how to pronounce that. Inman. I don't know if that's a big letter around it or what, but look at that. And it's sporting the rainbow flag. Too cool. It's kit number B1204-600. 600 yen. I was right. Japanese patrol car. Captain Scarlet. That is something else. It's got a gold sticker here. It says Shinsha organization. Shinsha. Dang, that is something. Let me know if you guys have ever had a, whatever that brand is. It's Japanese, obviously. Oh, there. Okay, so it's IMAI. Ame. I don't know. And last but not least, oh, it's a mini. food. Oh, there's some tires in here. Oh, okay. I'll get to that too. All right, let me grab the tires real fast. He's got some resin casted mud truck tires in here. Check that out. Or tractor tires, rather. Ooh, that's bright. Look at that. Oh, so they are. They're resin casted. Look at that. Wonder if he cast these. Did you cast these, Paul? I think he mentioned about these tires. That's pretty cool. And see, I could print a set of wheels to fit these, because on the 3D printer, you can, if you have a set of wheels, you can scale them. You can blow them up or you can shrink them. So I could take a measurement of those tires and adjust the wheel. I could even take like a car wheel and just blow it up. Anyway, look at this. The Old Mini Mayfair 1.3 and 25th edition Mini Rover Mayfair. That's what it said right there. Mayfair. Look at that, and it's a Fujimi kit. How do you like that? I've never seen this one. That's too cool. Kit number 12.126.913.124.2600. Nice. What a pleasant surprise. That is so cool. Thank you, Paul. Thank you. These are some neat kits. Look at that. The Old Mini, the Captain Scarlet patrol car, the Green Line T-type motor coach. Heather probably would like to build that. She likes little stuff like that too. That's neat. And then the Monogram Classics, the name for quality hobby kits. All plastic midget racer. Authentic, true scale model. Easy to assemble, all parts molded to exact shape. It says something else. Kit includes racing driver, removable hood, pump. Don't know what the pump is. Dummy Offenhauser engine, instrument panel, and other details. Wonder what pump means. It's got a removable hood. It's got a pump. Huh. No clue. There's some other ones that would have been released back in the 50s when this kit was new. This kit probably was from the mid 50s or something like that. Obviously it doesn't have a date on it because they wouldn't want to get in trouble for someone thinking that it was actually an old kit. But anyway, yeah, cool. Cool. 4 cool kits and 4 cool mud truck tires. Look at that. That's something else. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Again, apologies to Doug over at Douglas Model Garage's videos. Maybe to show up, but the chances of that are very doubtful. So yeah, you just have to, you're tossing the dice whenever you use the United States Postal Service. But I guess that could go for any package delivery service. I guess that things like that could go terribly wrong. But anyway, go up, check out Douglas Model Garage's videos. I'll link it in the description below. Go check it out. Give him a sub if you haven't already. And thank you, Paul Olson, again, my friend. What a contributor you have been to this channel. It's blowing my mind. It really is. I don't think I could build all the kits that Paul sent in a lifetime. Nearly. There's a lot. So I'm just rambling, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to as always, go check out hobbynutmodels.com. It's always linked in the description of each video. Go check out Mark's inventory over there. Grab you some of that great MCW paint, or possibly some Tamiya paint, or some Tamiya rattle can paint, or some of that great Mr. Hobby surfacer, what I call primer. Some people call it a sling blade. I'll call it a, hold on, how's that go? I said it on the other video the other day. Some people call it a Kaiser blade. I call it a sling blade. Some people call it surfacer. Some people call it primer. It's just whatever. But anyway, Mark's got all kind of stuff over there. Thank you to my Patreon members. You're great. If you want a t-shirt or a sticker or something like that, Model Car Videos, go check out the Spring Store. Again, everything that I've mentioned is in the description of the video. And guys, we'll see you soon. And you guys, you take care, and we'll see you later.